Royal Panda's town is waiting for your protection. Let's start today's patrol. Oh no, a bad guy just hid in the supermarket. Can you help me find the criminal? Do you know what the bad guy looks like? He was wearing a green vest, purple pants, and a yellow scarf around his neck. Okay, first, let's piece the bad guy's portrait together. Now find out where the bad guy is. Awesome, thank you. You're welcome. Whoa, what happened? I got separated from my dad in the park. Whoa, don't worry. Let's find your dad together. You found Guoguo's dad! You're awesome! Officer Kiki, it's terrible! My purse has been stolen! Can you help me catch the thief? No problem. Leave it to me. Go! Ah, you found my purse! Thank you so much! You're welcome! It's my duty! Officer Kiki, mission accomplished!
cross the road on the green light.
The car is almost out of gas. Fill it up. Insert the gas card to fill up the car. Fill up the car.
We need more gas.
Calm down, Miss Bear. What's the issue here?
The parking lot is so disorganized. I can't drive my car out.
Don't worry, I'll fix it. Stop the car to drive it out of the parking lot. Woohoo! All the cars were driven out! Hank, what's going on? I want to share the toys with my friends, but I can't find them. Can you help? No problem. Let's look for them together. These things are missing. Help Hank find them. Here are the toys. Tap on them. Let's find the other toys. Amazing! We found all the toys! Thank you, Officer Kiki.
Stop at the red light and cross the road on the green light.
The bus is a little dirty. Please help me wash and clean it up. Welcome to the car wash. Let's clean the car. First, drag the water sprayer to rinse off the mud. Tap the button to spray the cleaning fluid. Scrub the car clean. Now rinse off the foam. The car is clean. You are like an expert. No. Bunny is entangled in the vine and can't move. Don't worry, we're going to save her now. Oh, I can't walk. Come and save me. Drag Kiki to move the box and save Bunny. We can't push the sofa. Something is behind the box, and we can't push it any further. Thank you for saving me. Don't mention it. You can always come to Officer Kiki if you need help. Little Panda's town is successfully protected.